Dear friends, welcome to AS American English Center. Take your Webster's letter writing book. We have come here to the page number 94 to 96. We have come here to the video number 36. So here, the topic today is accepting job offers. Generally, 90% of job offers are not in a written document. There is no contract signed. So at those times, what you do is, whatever they are saying, write it in a paper or a document and keep it in your file, so that in future if any disputes arise, you can show that paper, which date, who spoke to you, what are the contracts, what are the benefits, so your extra benefits, your incentives, so contract up to what date to what, everything about that. So that is what accepting job offers. When you accept a job offer, confirm the offer and your acceptance in writing. In writing you accept it. Many companies don't use employment contracts. So many companies, they don't use employment contracts. So if you are not given a contract, or the offer is not made in writing, if the offer is not made in writing, your acceptance letter will document the terms and other particulars. So your acceptance letter, which you draft on your own, will document the terms and other particulars. This way you have written proof of your position in case a dispute should arise. Suppose a dispute arises between you and the management, you can always have a proof. So if the offer is made verbally, take notes on what is said. Repeat back what you hear to make sure you have heard correctly. So whatever you hear, just note it down, and during the time of offer of the work, then sum it up in a letter to your new boss, then show it to your new boss. So these are the contracts which we have made, and keep a copy for your files and confirm both receipt of the letter and agreement to its terms and conditions. Then you get a signature from concerned authority. So this is what we have spoken. Please put a sign, sir, so that I can have a file, keep it in my file, one for you and one for me. So if they are going on verbally, you can write the terms and conditions. So structure should be: repeat the job offer, thank the reader for the offer, accept list salary and benefits in the offer letter and other particulars, thank the reader again thank the boss, new boss, close by discussing your start date and any requirements concerning it. The handy phrases should be: thanks, I am delighted that you have offered me a job, I am happy to accept your offer, this is a great opportunity for me to work in your company. So dear Mike, this is a format letter. Thanks for your call the other night. So thanks for your call the other night, because he has offered to give me a job. To get right to the point, I am thrilled to be offered the advertising manager. I am thrilled to be offered the advertising manager position, and I am delighted to accept. So he says, I am very much delighted to accept. To sum up our discussion, he writes all those whatever they have spoken in 5 points. What is that? I will be responsible for managing research, engineering, marketing, communication. So I'll be responsible for managing marketing, communication program, including trade, advertising and the content on the website. So these are the area: marketing and the content on the website. This is my duty. My salary will be $47,000 a year, plus a performance bonus to be determined after my 6-month review. So he says, yesterday night we have spoken, and these are the things which we have finally agreed upon. He says 1, 2, my immediate supervisor will be you, so I'll be working under you. Cresage Engineering will pay all my moving expenses from Baltimore to Wichita. So Baltimore is a place and Wichita is a place. In this Wichita only Cresage Engineering is there. So all the moving expenses will be borne by the company. I'll have a private office equipped with a PC and a fast internet connection. So when they are offering, they told you'll be getting a room with a PC connection, with the internet connection. Mike, I'm excited about this opportunity and looking forward to working with you beginning on May 1st. So May 1st is the starting time of joining in the company. Thanks for your confidence in me. I too am confident that together we can achieve significant increase in craziness return to its advertising investment. So, sincerely, Wayne Roberts. So, he can get a signature from him and he can keep it as a for any urgencies. Tips for accepting job offers. Express your gratitude multiple times. Thanks for offering me the job. Thanks for including me in your company. So you can thank multiple times. State all agreed upon terms of employment that are important to you. Whatever it is important for you, say for having a company car, a house, traveling expenses, incentive, bonus, PF and all those things, you can you can keep on speaking to them about that. Start the relationship off on a positive note. Don't discuss specific work issues or problems. Save that for when you start the job. So whatever the problems are there, don't mention it during the job offer acceptance during the drafting the letter. That problems can be sorted out in future. So this accepting job offers is very important, my dear friends. So coming here, நண்பர்களே, அநேக வேலைகள் வாய் வார்த்தைகள் மூலமாக வேலை நிர்ணயிக்கப்படுகிறது. எழுத்து மூலமாக கான்ட்ராக்ட் மூலமாக ஒரு 10% அரசாங்க வேலைகளும் உயர் பதவிகளும். சாதாரண வேலைகளிலே பார்க்கிற பொழுது அநேக வேலைகள் வாய் வார்த்தை நம்பிக்கை மூலமாக அவர்கள் வேலைக்கு நியமிக்கப்படுகிறார்கள். இதில் பல பிரச்சனைகள் இருக்கிறது. ஆக ஒருவர் உங்களுக்கு வேலை வழங்குகிற பொழுது எழுத்து மூலமாக அது ஒரு ஒப்பந்தம் ஏற்படாத பட்சத்திலே, அப்படி இல்லாத தருணத்திலே நீங்கள் அவர்களிடம் சொல்லி ஒரு கடித வடிவில் எழுதி கொள்ளுங்கள். என்னென்ன நிபந்தனைகள், என்னென்ன அவர்கள் உங்களுக்கு சம்பளம் கொடுக்கிறார்கள், எப்பொழுது நீங்கள் வேலைக்கு சேர வேண்டும், அனைத்தையும் எழுதி அவர்களிடம் ஒரு கையெழுத்தும் வாங்கி கொள்ளுங்கள். அது பிற்காலத்திலே உங்களுக்கும் நிர்வாகத்திற்கும் ஏதாவது ஒரு பிரச்சனைகள் வருகிற பொழுது அது உபயோகமாக இருக்கும். ஸோ அக்செப்டிங் ஜாப் ஆஃபர் என்றால் என்ன? அவர்கள் வேலை வழங்குகிறார்கள், நீங்கள் ஏற்றுக்கொள்கிறீர்கள். அது எழுத்து வடிவத்தில் இல்லாத பொழுது, பேச்சு வடிவத்தில் மட்டும் இருக்கிற பொழுது, வாய்மொழி மூலமாக மட்டும் இருக்கிற பொழுது, நீங்கள் எழுத்து வடிவத்திலே அனைத்து நிபந்தனைகளையும் எழுதி கொண்டு அதற்கு பிறகு அதை உங்கள் ஃபைலிலே வைத்துக் கொள்ளுங்கள். இதுதான் இந்த accepting job offers. Hope you are able to understand. Are you clear? Thank you very much.